seconds.
Okay. A very good evening, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. And this is Sanchari Chaudhary back again, reporting live from the IHM Bangalore Career Studio. So here I have today, in fact, this evening, a very special guest on our hospitality talk, Ms. Bharti Singh K. So Bharti Singh definitely is a head of the landslide services at the Bangalore International Airport. A very big welcome to you, Bharti. It is so nice and amazing to have you here today.
Thank you so much for a lovely introduction. Thank you.
Most welcome, Bharti. Bharti, before wasting any time, because I'm very sure that everybody is really looking forward to this conversation, we would like to know about your career, your entire success story, and your journey so far.
I belong to a middle class family. My father is a paramilitary officer. Now, of course, he's retired. I never wanted to join a hotel management. I'm telling you the truth today. I wanted to join, I wanted to become a doctor. Okay, that's what we were inspiring earlier days. But
Wow.
what so happened is I gave all the entrance exams and for engineering and medical together, and never ever in first list my name was there. So thus there was a backup of hotel management. I was inspired by one of my father's senior son who was doing hotel management already, and coincidentally he was doing from IIHM Kolkata. Okay,
Wow.
this is the news for you. So
Okay.
once I got to know about it, and he's like, it's fabulous to do a hotel management, we'll be in glamour always and all those stuff. I was like, I think this is the right place. Who will go for medicals? Who will go for IIT? Who will study so much? So best is to do hotel management. And I gave my entrance exams and I was through. Yes, my area of interest was front office and F&B service, but somehow I got selected for housekeeping, and that's how my journey began from ITC Shonar Bangla, Radisson Noida, and then Chancery Pavilion, then Crown Plaza, Royal Orchid, and now finally, after 17 years, 6 months back, I land in airport. Okay. Yes, there is a Swift. I really don't know on what ground I made a choice, but there was a time then I was like, no, Bharti, something different needs to be done. So there's there was some job opening came in. I was like, let me apply. Let's see what happens next. And I don't know why they like me, and I joined them. And there is so much for me to learn from that industry. I mean, I thought I'm masters in housekeeping in hotel industry, but here when it comes to airport industry, you got to see it's a huge subject. It's a huge subject. It's more of public area, but it's huge, and it has a great learning.
Wow.
That's how I am here.
So, Bharti, how different is it? Like you have been executive housekeepers in so many brands before this. And as you said very correctly, you're currently with the Bangalore International Airport, one of the busiest airports and one of the most fascinating airports of India, of Asia, right? So you're heading so many services out there. You're in fact almost on a role of the general manager, taking care of all the services. So how different it's basically, from normal regular operations at a hotel and maybe a job of an executive housekeeper at a hotel.
Correct. In hotels, executive housekeepers are confined to an operation which talks about rooms, a bit of public area. But whereby in airport operation, it is a vast passenger area, which, trust me, in a day, you cannot even walk. That much it is. Okay. If you walk, trust me, the figure will be almost perfect. Okay. So, but I try to do so. More of public areas, more of washroom oriented, more of office spaces oriented, more of pest control oriented. There are when you are in hotels, there are departments, sub departments which is linked to you, like laundry. So we do have laundry in airport, which is on a smaller scale, which is only for dusters and internal stuff.
Yes.
Pest control, like pest control in hotels is very small. Okay, for a hotel only. But here is the entire airport, airside, landside. Generally, a hotel operation, if you have a little knowledge, it is divided into two parts. One is airside operation, one is landside operation.
Yes.
When it's landside, it is terminal building and plus the entire external area. That's how it happens. So, pest controlling of the entire airport falls under us. Okay. Like in hotels, you have gardening. Okay, but whereby in the airport, the gardening will not fall under you, because there is a vertical called horticulture itself, and it is ocean in itself. So
Wow.
there are little changeovers. I mean, from hotel to hotel, because of the vast operation. Therefore, there are various vertical has been created in Bangalore International Airport. In fact, I report to engineering and maintenance department. I am a part
Okay.
of that department, whereby
Right.
my boss is AVP, assistant vice president, and VP is the head of the vertical. So we have verticals of civil, vertical of mechanical, vertical of services, which I had. So like that ICT, and there are various departments, but lots is there in depth. Yeah.
Wow.
But
So,
it is different. It is different, and
hmm,
here we are very much worried about the passengers who are transiting, whether it's a departure, whether it's arrival, their experience. The moment they, they land, they step into a airport terminal building. In fact, they come into Trumpet. If you've seen after the toll, there is one particular bridge that's known as Trumpet. The moment they come
right.
in, their experience from there till the time they take off in the flight, our responsibility stops where we have when the passenger boards the aircraft. Till aircraft, it's our responsibility in the boarding bridges. So it's
Wow.
lots of terminology. Trust me, it took 1 month for me to learn the terminology in airport, and I'm still learning. Okay, mind it, it's been 6 months. I'm
I
still
can
learning.
imagine. This is so fascinating. And I think, Bharti, today you also have, some nice videos as well that you would like to go ahead and show.
Sure,
So
sure.
can we see it right now? We are really
Yes,
looking
yes.
forward.
Before we show is, I would like to tell that
Yes.
we are preparing ourselves for airport receptions operation,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
with that, there are lots of things under COVID-19 which we have done, like social distancing, lots of marking, printing,
Correct.
making arrangements like check-in counters will have, shield in between. There are lots of thermal cameras, lots of practices, sanitizing practices. If I take you, there is a video, I mean, I have a presentation also, but pre-arrival, during arrival, I mean, like
Wow.
how we do in hotels, like
Yes.
pre-event, during event, post-event, the sanitization process, whether it's manual or machine, lots is there. So you must show that video is to tell everyone that we are preparing ourselves to serve you.
Yes. Yes, absolutely, Bharti, definitely. So could we have a glimpse of the video right now? Is that
Sure.
would that be possible? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this was really motivating. And, looking at this, I'm very certain that, everybody, all of us, and I can actually, even in fact, talk about, Dr. Bose, who travels almost every day. And today, we all are sitting at home. We are waiting for everything to, in fact, start, getting back to our businesses and traveling. This gives us so much of assurance, Bharti. This really was incredible. Thank you so much for this video and a sneak peek into what's going to be happening soon. So, Bhati, taking this ahead, of course, my next question to you would be, as a woman, and definitely my pleasure, Bhati, as a woman and definitely as a business head leading so many particular divisions, in hotels and definitely at the airport right now, any particular experience in life, which in fact has, you can reflect on and say that has moved you, changed you for the better, made you a more stronger professional and even a person?
It's difficult to answer because every step is such like that for us, because there are times you have to prove yourself that yes, your thinking, what you can bring in change makes a difference. Okay, and breaking that nutshell, I think it involves in every step, whether when you change hotels, when you change industry, when you change your job, you got to prove yourself that yes, what you are thinking is, there are times you have to hotel and or the organization which you're working for, and
Right.
convincing them
I think Bhati is having a little network problem.
think the way you are takes
Okay.
time. But
Yes. Yes, Bhati, you're back again.
yes, yes, yes. So did I complete my sentence then?
No, not really, Bhati. We were not able to hear you. So it will be lovely to have you, know about it again.
Okay. So that's what. So when you are working in different organization and when you join the job, to prove it to your bosses that you are worth what you are speaking makes sense, it takes time. But again, I'm telling you, I have been lucky, whichever hotels I work with and the airport also. When I talked about my ideas to bring in change, to bring it for a betterment of the organization, it was accepted on a platter. But yes, it took time for me to convince them also, because you got to have lots of analytical skills. You need to have experience to tell them, see, this has worked there and it can work here also. That convincing skill, I think it comes in built, I guess. So I don't know why seeing my face they get convinced, I guess. So for me, till now, it's well and good.
That is so wonderful. Bhati, during the lockdown period, what has been your best moments and, of course, your learnings?
Learnings, trust me, during this lockdown period and before, as in when the corona was knocking our India door, the best learning which I had is the corona has made me, chemistry student. Corona has made me a microbiologist.
Right.
Corona has made me to contact so many doctors to understand what is happening, and I have done so much of Google research that I think I can write a chapter on corona going forward. Okay, because see, it's an opportunity marketing for all the companies.
Yes.
And Bangalore International Airport, if someone gets an order, it is for their pride or the company, and it's a big order in terms of amount too. So analyzing what this present, they will present always the best to us. Okay, but analyzing, are they telling the truth? We have to undergo to the complete depth. Trust me, during my school days, I used to hate chemistry. I used to hate everything to do with chemistry. Okay. And today I am ended up with chemistry only. So microbiology, I have never opted, even in during colleges also, there was little write-up about microbiology. I managed to run away from there. Okay. And I'm sorry, but Corona, thanks to Corona, I have learned this. But yes, my learnings are about this chemicals, microbiology, and now if some sales person comes with selling their chemicals at the airport, I can counter him and I can say, no, see guy, this does not work, this chemical works. So that's how it is.
Right.
And yes, the
Right.
practices, see, there are training those people who are working with us. See, such kind of facility, you will not have hotel management graduates, so many, but
Mm-hmm.
you have to get the sanitization and disinfection done to the level that all of you are safe when you travel. Plus, we are safe because we are working there day and night.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
thus, making them understand in their language, being with them is something I have been always doing, but this was a different journey because I was dealing with someone who are nearby villagers who have come to work here. The
Yes.
task force which I have at the airport is around 650 headcount. So, talking to them, teaching them what is the
Yes.
importance of this disinfection, what is this corona, how,
Correct.
my mantra for them was, don't think that corona will come flying somewhere. Just think that the surface which you are cleaning has corona. Clean like that. See corona everywhere. Coronavirus is
Right.
everywhere. Clean it that way. And trust me, that is something which Touchwood has worked out for us also.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Our team is doing great, fabulous job.
Wonderful. I think that was a brilliant insight into, your industry, how things work, inside the airport, the way, in fact, you have in fact gone ahead and you and your team has controlled this. And of course, we are so lucky that, very soon we'll be able to see the airport functioning again very soon for all of us, who love traveling again, as hospitality people. We would like to, of course, have you share a message for all our students, especially our students who are, who are ladies, who are women, who want to really make it big in hospitality. So please share a message for all our students right now, Bharti.
A student message for whether it's a female or a male, I just want to say something that aim something. Try to achieve it. Don't think that hotel is good or airport is good, hospital is good, or maybe IT industry is good or something, some other industry is good. Whatever you like, do it and work towards it. Trust me, you'll achieve it. And I'm not saying become a housekeeper, become a facility manager, become a F&B manager or a general manager or a vice president, become whatever. You become a successful personality, but with following the right directions, right steps. Because doing right thing is something which I believe in, and I'm still following at whatever position I am in. I follow that. But follow your aim, whatever aim it is. Whether you want to become a fashion designer, please do it. After doing hotel management, also you can become a fashion designer. You can do
Absolutely.
anything. Just do what you like and do it 100%. Don't just keep on changing, because nowadays the generation is such that they would like to switch over from here to here, here to here. Just be focused. When you are focused, what you aim for, you will get it. Nobody is there to stop it. And you guys are smarter than us, in fact. My sons are smarter than me now. So, and they must be smarter than
So
you
true.
guys. So that's how it is. Just aim and be focused. Don't lose your focus ever. And you will be
Super.
successful.
Thank you so much. I think these were brilliant words, Bharti, and so motivating. And I'm very certain that, all our students who's watching us today, and definitely all the hospitality aspirants who are getting into the profession, definitely, has got a great insight into so many verticals that hospitality has. And this was a very, very interesting vertical. And they exactly know how many particular fields, this is again another field that they can always go ahead and expose themselves to. So that was beautiful, Bharti, and we look forward to a very important and, of course, a very interesting session, by you for all our students also very soon. We are contemplating it, and we definitely will be in touch. But for this amazing conversation that we both had, we've really enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for, dedicating this time to us, Bharti. We understand, coming back from work, and I know that you're working now, you're going all the way to, Kempegowda Airport, and coming back, we know the distance, and amidst so much of lockdown, etc. You're doing that. That's incredible. Hats off to you. But stay safe and, stay healthy. And the same goes to your family as well from all of us in IIHN. And we look forward to seeing you very soon again, Bharti.
Thank you so much. One last message to all of you. We all have to be executive housekeepers now. We all have to follow hygiene practices without any mistakes. Everyone associated to you also should follow that if you want to stay away from corona. And corona is not a great thing. If you are taking precautions, nobody can touch you, neither corona. Take
Super.
that.
Thank you very much.
My
Have a
pleasure.
lovely evening ahead and stay safe and healthy. See you
Thank
very
you.
soon, Bharti. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.